Still making carry-on mistakes in 2025? You're not alone, and it could ruin your trip. Here are the 12 biggest carry-on mistakes and how to dodge them fast. Pack smarter, skip the stress, and travel like a pro. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Ignoring your airline's carry-on rules. Every airline has different size and weight limits for carry-on bags, and these can vary more than you might expect. Not knowing them means extra fees and stress, and sometimes even having to check your bag at the last minute. Airlines strictly enforce these rules. At check-in or the gate, your bag might be measured or weighed. If it's over, you'll pay a fee and check it, which can be both expensive and inconvenient, especially if you're in a hurry or have a tight connection. Don't get stuck repacking at the gate or paying surprise fees. It's stressful, embarrassing, and can delay boarding for you and everyone else. Avoid the hassle by being prepared. Always check your airline's website before packing. Policies change, so confirm the latest carry-on size and weight limits every time you fly, even if you've traveled with that airline before. Buy a suitcase that fits most airlines. Use a measuring tape when shopping. If you travel often, pick a lightweight bag to maximize packing and avoid unnecessary weight. Follow these tips to breeze through security and boarding. No drama, no panic, no surprise fees. You'll travel with confidence and peace of mind. Outsmart baggage fees. Know your airline's rules, plan ahead, and start your trip right. Preparation means a smooth journey and more money in your pocket for the fun parts of travel. Mistake number 2. Ignoring packing rules and bringing prohibited items. Those signs at security are there for a reason. Don't skip them. Check the rules before you pack to avoid delays or even having to throw away your belongings. A few minutes of preparation can save you a lot of hassle at the airport. Don't slow down the line with forgotten water bottles or pocket knives. Double-check your bag for restricted items before you leave home, and make sure you know what's allowed in your carry-on. It's not just about you. Everyone in line will thank you for being prepared. Leave weapons, large liquids, lighters, tools, snow globes, sports gear, and certain batteries at home. If you're unsure, don't risk it. When in doubt, leave it out. Security agents see it all, and you don't want your item to be the next one confiscated. Follow the 311 rule. 3.4-ounce containers, all in 1 quart-size clear bag. Extras go in checked luggage, so plan ahead and pack accordingly to avoid last-minute stress. Check the TSA website for the latest rules. What was allowed last year might be banned now, so always stay updated before you travel. Use the TSA search tool to confirm if your item is allowed. Don't risk losing valuables at security. Take a moment to check and save yourself the trouble. The goal: breeze through security. Be ready, move fast, and help everyone get to their flights on time. A little effort goes a long way. Pack smart, double-check your bag, and stay organized. Good packing keeps travel stress-free for everyone and makes your journey smoother from start to finish. Mistake number 3. Overpacking. If you're forcing your carry-on shut or sitting on it, you've packed too much. It's stressful, inconvenient, and can ruin your trip before it even begins. Overpacking makes your bag hard to handle and can cost you more than you expect. Airlines have strict size and weight limits. Go over, and you'll pay extra or waste precious time repacking at the counter. Start with a packing list, then cut it in half. Pack only versatile clothes that can be mixed and matched. Most places have laundry, so skip the extras you won't really need. Roll your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. This method also helps you see everything at a glance, making packing and unpacking easier. Use packing cubes to keep clothes organized and compressed. You'll fit more, find items fast, and keep your suitcase tidy throughout your trip. Less is more. Pack only essentials, breeze through security, skip fees, and travel stress-free. Leave just-in-case items at home and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. Mistake number 4. Skipping your carry-on's secret weapon, organization. Smart packing is key. Use compartments and packing cubes to separate essentials for quick access. Keep chargers and power banks together. Use a clear bag for liquids to breeze through security. Store documents in an easy access pocket for stress-free travel. Packing cubes compress clothes and keep everything organized. Master these tips for a smooth, stress-free trip every time. Mistake 5. Forgetting travel documents can ruin your trip. Always pack your passport, visa, and boarding pass in a secure travel wallet. Make digital copies and store them on your phone or in the cloud. Backups save you if you lose the originals. Keep everything together and easy to grab at the airport. Stay organized, don't forget your documents, and travel stress-free. Mistake 6. Forgetting a reusable water bottle. Airport water is pricey. Bring an empty bottle and fill it after security. Save money, stay healthy, and reduce plastic waste. Travel smart. Mistake number 7. Skipping emergency essentials in your carry-on. Lost bags or delays. Always have emergency items ready. Pack a spare shirt and underwear. Toss in comfy pants for surprises. Stick to the basics. No overpacking. These essentials keep you comfortable and ready for anything. Mistake number 8. Don't forget your travel tech. Pack chargers, cables, and key gadgets. Bring a power bank to keep devices charged anywhere. Use a multi-port charger for all your devices. Download entertainment before your flight. Pack noise-canceling headphones. Keep all tech in one pouch for easy access. With the right gear, you'll stay powered, connected, and entertained. Mistake number 9. Ignoring the TSA 3-1-1 rule slows you down. All liquids must fit in a single quart-sized clear bag. Each container, 3.4 ounces or less. Larger bottles? Pack them in checked luggage. Use a clear, resealable bag for fast TSA checks. Pack essentials efficiently to save space. Master the 3-1-1 rule and breeze through security. Don't let jet lag ruin your trip. Hydrate before, during, and after your flight. Set your watch to your destination's time as soon as you board. Get sunlight when you arrive to reset your body clock. Stick to a regular sleep schedule right away. Arrive ready to explore, not nap. Mistake number 11. Skipping in-flight entertainment makes flights drag on. Pack a book or load your e-reader. Download movies, shows, or podcasts before flying. Create a playlist for the trip. Good entertainment makes flights fly by. Mistake number 12. Ignoring airline carry-on policies is a big mistake. Every airline has different size, weight, and item limits. Always check the airline's website for the latest rules before you pack. This helps you avoid surprise fees and last-minute hassles. Know the rules, and your trip will be smooth and stress-free. Here are the top 12 carry-on mistakes travelers make in 2025. Overpacking, missing airline rules, and forgetting essentials. Pack smart, breeze through security, and travel stress-free. Drop your travel hacks in the comments and subscribe for more 2025 tips. Safe travel.